So question from Mr. 7269, sabi niya, kamusta po performance? Sige, dahil malakas kayo sa akin, tara, pag-usapan natin. So, first of all, initial torque, ayan, okay naman. So, this is very useful pag mga traffic situations, low speed, okay na okay yung initial torque niya, guys. And then, pag medyo binibirit, yan, medyo sumisigaw siya, no? Something that I didn't appreciate, especially nung una, even hanggang ngayon, but you learn to grow with it. So performance-wise, wala akong masabi, no complaints, very satisfied. Low and high speed, yan, as you can see, very great for overtaking. Yan. So pagka sinasabi nilang mabagal, I don't know about that. Kasi itong speed na to is really enough for most cases. For me lang yan, of course, scale is also a very important factor. But yan, very nimble, very ganda ng handling. Yan, balance din, pag medyo slow yung speed natin, nababalance na siya very easily. So overall performance, ADV 160, sobrang pasado niya, guys, para sa akin lang. So yan, sana nakatulong. If you wanna know more about the Honda ADV 160, I've created a playlist. I've shared my ownership experience and everything that you need to know about the ADV 160. Go ahead and check it out on my YouTube channel. So sana nakatulong. Follow for more.